News 3's first warning weather.
All eyes are on the forecast this weekend. We're looking at mainly snow. That's because we have the temperatures for it. Saturday morning all the way to Sunday morning. That's going to give us a really good window to actually accumulate a decent amount that you can actually go outside and see this time. Unlike last weekend, we are very windy. Nonetheless, winds gusting 40 up to 50 miles per hour in some spots. And on top of that, we're heading into the full moon cycle. So we're going to be dealing with some coastal and tidal flooding, potential for some overwash all there. But remember, stuff could freeze over, especially as we go into the weekend. So that low centered right off the Carolina coast as we go into your Saturday morning. The snow has begun to move in. That's really the only window is during the afternoon on Saturday where we have the chance for a little bit of rain for portions of the Outer Banks. But this is mainly going to be a snow event. So if you're anywhere other than the Outer Banks, you're looking at snow from start to finish because temperatures are going to be below freezing for the entire duration of this thing. So here's a closer look at the timeline. 4 o'clock Friday, we start seeing the clouds move in. Then that snowfall begins to build in as we go into your Saturday afternoon. By the time we get to Sunday afternoon, system finally jets on out of here. That's going to pave the way to brighter conditions early next week. Winds start to pick up ahead of this. Saturday, we're looking at winds gusting to around 20-30 miles per hour. Winds are at their strongest as we go into Saturday night. We could even see winds gusting closer to 40 across portions of south side. Saturday night, closer to 50 for portions of the Outer Banks. So very, very breezy system that's going to blow some of that snow around, leading to a couple of visibility issues. Another component of this is going to be the tidal flooding. Some nuisance flooding possible Saturday evening, some moderate flooding there as we go into Sunday morning. I'll leave you with the forecast for today. Temperatures in the low 30s, feeling more like the teens and 20s once you factor those northwesterly winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Next couple of days, we are looking at below freezing temperatures. Finally, we thaw out early next week.